Apply for a free boiler grant on our website at freeboilers.info-forall.com. Did you know that if you are claiming benefits, or a pensioner and own your own house, or in private rented accommodation, you may be entitled to a free government grant to replace your old boiler? Yes, that's right. The UK government Free Boiler Grant Scheme of 2016 is available. Why not check to see if you qualify? If your boiler is not working, inefficient, or more than 5 years old, you may be entitled to a free government replacement boiler. Let us help you with your application. Just fill in the no obligation form on our website. Apply today on our website at freeboilers.info-forall.com.